Good morning, all of you. So, in this video, we are going to see the structure of peroxo disulfuric acid and polythionic acid. Peroxo disulfuric acid molecular formula H2S2O8. Peroxo, that word indicate a peroxide structure in between two sulfur atoms. In the two sulfur atoms are linked by a peroxo structure. Now first we are going to discuss about the structure of how to draw the structure of peroxo disulfuric acid. Structure of peroxo disulfuric acid. First we are going to find out the oxidation state of sulfur in peroxo disulfuric acid, also called Marshall acid. Marshall acid. 1 hydrogen plus 1 oxidation state, 2 hydrogen plus 2. 1 oxygen minus 8 minus 2, 8 oxygen minus 16. So, by putting plus 4 and by adding all the oxidation state, we will get 0 oxidation state. 0 oxidation state. 2 sulfur oxidation state equal to plus 14. Therefore, 1 sulfur oxidation state equal to plus 7. Oxidation state of sulfur in Marshall acid is plus 7. The peroxo, that word indicate a peroxide structure in this acid. Peroxide, oxide, O2 minus ion. Peroxide, O2 2 minus ion. Single bond oxygen, single bond oxygen, single bond. This is the peroxide structure. Peroxide structure. Now we are going to draw the structure of peroxo disulfuric acid. Right, 2 sulfur atom and the 2 sulfur atoms are linked by a peroxide structure. So, remaining 6 oxygen atom, 2 sulfur atom, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 8 oxygen atoms are over. As usual, add hydrogen as the terminal atom. Join all the atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 electrons, 11 bonds, total number of electrons are 22 electrons. So, now we have to find out the total number of valence electron in this compound. Hydrogen, 2 hydrogen plus 2 sulfur, how many oxygen? 8 oxygens we have. Hydrogen valence electron 1, sulfur valence electron 6, oxygen valence electron 6 equal to total number of valence electrons are 62. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 bonds are over. So, 11 into 2 are 22 electrons we have completed. When you subtract, you will get 40 electrons we have to fill on the oxygen atom as lone pair of electron. Here to fulfill the octet 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Count the number of electron. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Finally, convert 1 lone pair into bond pair, 1 lone pair into bond pair, 1 lone pair into bond pair, 1 lone pair into bond pair. So, we will get the final structure of peroxo disulfuric acid, hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, 1 peroxide form, and here you have 1 sulfur, OH. OH. Double bond oxygen, double bond oxygen, double bond oxygen, double bond oxygen. How many lone pair of electron? 1 double bond, 2 lone pair of electron. 1 double bond, 2 lone pair of electron, 1 double bond, 2 lone pair of electron, 1 double bond, 2 lone pair of electron, 2 single 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 bond, 2 lone pair of electron. So, this is the structure of peroxo disulfuric acid. And now, we are going to see one more structure, that is structure of polythionic acid. Polythionic acid. General molecular formula H2S N plus 2 O6. Already we have discussed about thionic acid, dithionic acid. So, from this structure we can easily write H2SN plus 2 O6. How to draw the structure? 2 sulfur atom we have S, and here one OH, double bond O, double bond O. Here one double bond O, double bond O. Here you have one OH. So, if there is a one single bond between these two sulfur atoms, this is the structure of dithionic acid. If there is one single bond between these two sulfur atoms, this is the structure of dithionic acid. Poly, N, the sender S, one S, additional S containing N number. If you put N equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So, here 2, remaining only one sulfur at the center. If you put N equal to 2, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So, apart from these 2 sulfur, we have 2 additional sulfur here. So, this is the structure of polythionic acid. In this video, we have discussed the structure of peroxo sulfuric acid and polythionic acid. Thank you very much.